Welcome to Deskera CRM. In today's demo, we're going to walk you through the process of importing contacts directly into the system. We'll start by clicking on the Contacts tab here in the My Links widget. This will take us into all of the contacts currently in the system, of which you'll notice there are none. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and click here on Import, and we'll import our CSV file that was exported from our email, whatever the case may be. Go into here, click on Browse, select your contact list, and hit Open. Your delimiter is going to be comma for a CSV file, as these are comma-separated values. Click on Next, and this takes us into mapping. This allows us to map our current headers to the columns listed in the system. So what we'll do is we'll start with name. We'll put that here, and that will list as first name in the system. Family name or last name goes here, and last name will come across from this side as well. And we'll scroll down to find email value here, connected with email on this side. What we're going to do now is we're going to take phone 1 type, which is going to say home phone or mobile phone, and we're going to link that to phone, just so we can have a few of these things fail, so I can show you what happens when that happens. This is probably plenty for our example, so from here we'll go ahead and hit Submit. This will start to bring in all the records, and as it turns out, they were all imported successfully. The system does manage things very nicely, so it's hard to actually create a problem when there isn't one. This, you'll notice, is all the information that we mapped over from before. If there are some columns that you definitely wanted to have in there, what you could do is click here on Customize Columns and add a custom column. From here you can give it a column header name, like phone type, for instance. The maximum length, we're going to say 18 characters, and the field type is actually going to be a text field, because of course in phone numbers we're going to have to put parentheses and dashes and so forth. It's not going to be a mandatory column. We'll go ahead and add the new column in, and you'll notice then what we'll do is we'll come out of our contacts and back into them. Now our list that's up has our new custom column listed all the way at the end here, phone type, and this is where we would put that information in. That's for custom columns, which is something we can get into later. But for now, that's how easy it is to import your contact list into the contacts in Deskera.